week coming at you. Y'all, we got a great video coming to you today. Yes, sir. Hey, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know what's coming. So I'm headed up to Black Gold Harley Davidson right now. My wife is meeting me up there. So yeah, if you've been following me, you know what's about to go down. I've been telling you a few things that was going to happen on the bike, and it is going down today. It's been raining all week. Today is Friday. I've been off all week long. I've been enjoying my days off. And man, yeah, so we going to make this happen today. So yeah, man, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I say a Merry Christmas cause New Year's is not here yet, but man, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, man, enjoying the holidays, enjoying your families and friends. It's been awesome. Just, man, I've been relaxing. I ain't gonna even lie, I've been relaxing. You know, I haven't even really been anywhere, man. Just, you know, doing a little Christmas shopping. But other than just going anywhere, no, I've been kind of relaxing, man. I'm telling you, sometimes you just want to be at home and enjoy those days off. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy those days at home. You don't have to be in the streets. But yeah, and it's been doing a lot of raining as well. And I didn't want to be out in the rain, traveling and doing a whole lot of stuff, man. So yeah. But today, we got something going down on Khrome. And I'm not probably going to stay for the installation. I'm going to let them go ahead and do their thing. But I'm going to show you the finishing product when they get done with it. Y'all, I think it's going to look very awesome. My dude, Jason, man, I appreciate you. And I'm going to tell you where Jason from if you haven't been following me on Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to definitely tell you where he's from because you might want to go make your bike look good during this winter time. So yeah, y'all, we are headed over to Black Gold Harley Davidson and we finna get it, baby. Let's go. Well, y'all, we're leaving Khrome right here, and it should be looking different when we get it, y'all. Should be looking a whole lot different when we get it. Y'all see what it look like, what it's been looking like here for the past pretty much a year, 2 or 3 years. So yeah, but yeah, it's a lot going on with it. So, what's up, y'all? It's Saturday morning, dude, and it's a rainy Saturday morning too. You can see the ground all wet. I'm back up here at Black Gold Harley Davidson. Finna get the wheels put on, y'all. So, hey, let's go get it. I think my boy Austin got the bike already. We finna get him put on. Let's go. So, let's go. All right, y'all. We got the tires right here. I'm just going back with the Harley Davidson tires right now on the bike. That's what I'm gonna go with those. Right now I have the Dunlop American Elite tires on here, but I'm gonna switch those off. You know, I'm gonna leave these on the wheel. They still in pretty good condition too, because I just got those this year in March, and they still in good condition. But you know what, I'm gonna leave those on there. So yeah, we finna actually get it done. I'm gonna show you, these are the bolts that I'm going with right here. These are the Arlen Ness titanium bolts right here. That's for the front rotors. Those are the bolts right there. And I had my pulley right here. I had it powder coated black, y'all, because I hate that stainless steel look back there. So it looks so bland, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but this is the pulley here that I had powder coated by what's that, unit 14, I think it's F14. I'll put a link in the description where I got this powder coated in Plano. So I will put a link in the description where I got that at, where I got it powder coated. They do great powder coat over there. They do a lot of stuff with Black Gold Harley Davidson over here. So yeah, so let's get it done. So yep, and I'm gonna show you the wheels when we get them pulled out the box. All right, it's gonna be a big difference right there, a big difference. Yes sir. Wow, look at that pretty wheel right there. Ooh-wee. That's gonna be mean looking right there. Fire. Ooh-wee. It's gonna change it. Huh?
It's just the guy holding it.
It's just the guy holding it. Hey y'all, I'm telling y'all, if y'all need any work done, I'ma always let y'all know about this dude Austin here. Everything that's been done on Khrome, he has done it. And I has 0 issues, man. So y'all, we're getting the wheels put on, y'all. Oh my God, that looks good. Whole new look. Well, y'all, I bought a new rotor, just a Harley Davidson rotor, cause ain't nobody gonna see it back there. And I put new brake pads on the rear as well. So now he's pulling the bearing out of the pulley over here to get that done. So yeah. So now tell him what you're going to do, Austin.
Well, I'm getting the bearings into your rear pulley because the tool I have is made for wheel bearings, not exactly pulley bearings. So we're trying to make do here.
That thing pressed 40,000 pounds of pressure?
We haven't needed that yet.
I see. That's a lot, dude. I see that right there. Oh man, that black pulley look good with that. Oh yeah, that looks real good with that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at the black screws, y'all. That look good right there. Yeah, that look real good. So yeah, we're getting it done, y'all. We are getting it done. So y'all, I get up with y'all and I'm gonna show you what it look like when we get the wheel on. And we're gonna do a walk around on it. All right, I'll see y'all in the future. What up, y'all? We just picked up the bike. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the wheels that I just got. Coastal Moto wheels. Yes, and we're gonna talk about it when we get home in the garage. All right. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy. Hey, I'm home, y'all. I'm excited about the new wheels from Custom Moto, y'all. Y'all check out Khrome, y'all. Look at Khrome right now. And let me tell you, these are the MARLIN 3D machine cut. You see it's machine cut here. And I got the Arlen Ness bolts here. Those are titanium bolts. You can get them in black, silver, gold, whatever color you want to get them in. The bike is a little dirty and everything, but I got the rear wheel as well. You know you can't go without having the rear wheel on here. So yeah, I got the rear wheel and Custom Moto great wheels, y'all. You need to I'm gonna put Jason, the owner, down here on the screen. Make sure you get Jason a call, tell him KellyB sent you over there. But man, I am excited about the wheels, man. I rode on it home, rides really smooth. And I'm gonna tell you one thing that I like about the wheels, y'all. I was able to still use my same rotors. So it has the setup of your stock rotors on the front. So I was able to still use those. And that's one thing I do like about Custom Moto. You don't have to change the rotors and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, man, it looks really good, man. Khrome is looking good. I told y'all I was gonna get this done, and it's working out. But y'all tell me what y'all think about the wheels, man. Oh man, I'm getting Khrome set up the way I want it set up, y'all. I'm gonna tell you what I did. I went with the MARLIN 3D machine cut wheels. I also got new tires. It's just the Harley Davidson tires, brand new. I went everything new. I had to get a new rotor on the rear as well, and I got new brake pads. And check this out, the belt pulley, y'all. Check it out. It's black. I got it powder coated black. It's dirty right now. I gotta wash the bike. But yeah, I got that powder coated black. And that looks really good, y'all. Just standing off looking, because I hated that color that was down there on the bike with that pulley, y'all, because sometimes that pulley get really hard to clean. Who is that? Unit 14 F14, Unit F14 in Plano powder coated that for me. So make sure you check them out. I'll put a link down for them as well. They did an awesome job on the powder coat on that. And man, and I just wanted to show you the wheels, man. Show you Khrome, new look, new year, new look, 2025 coming. We're gonna be rocking Khrome like this. And like I said, y'all, hey, the cam is next. I'm swapping the cam. So y'all stay tuned for that. But y'all, tell me what you think about the wheels down in the comments. And man, they really look good, y'all. They really looks good. I love how it makes the bike just look dark. You know, the bike is named Khrome, so it just made the bike look that much meaner, y'all. So man, y'all, I'm gonna end this video because y'all already seen this bike before. Just the new wheels, the new shoes on there, and it's looking awesome, y'all. So yeah, man. So make sure you give Jason a call. Tell him, hey, KellyB sent you, man. A great guy. Just talking to him on the phone and help this channel here grow. I really appreciate that, y'all. I'm rocking that 21 is on the front, y'all, and I'm rocking the 18 on the rear. It's an 18.55 on the rear. So yeah, man, it looks beefy, dude. It looks really beefy. So y'all, I can't stop looking at it, man. But it's a beautiful day. I'm finna go ride. It's like 78 here right now in Texas, so I'm finna go ride, just enjoy the bike for a little while and try to get some of these get that rubber broke in on the tires. I had on my other bike, I had the Dunlap American Elite. I really like those tires, but they had the rear in stock, but they didn't have the front, so they had to order, so I didn't want to wait. So I went with those. You know, I'm not out here drag racing or nothing like that, but if you pull up on me, it might be some problems. But nah, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. But y'all, we're gonna end the video right now. Thank y'all for tuning in to KellyB Glide. I really appreciate you and all the new subscribers that just come on to the channel. Hey, some of my co-workers, I love y'all, man. Appreciate you all. Hey, they helping me get over 6K. I'm right at 6K right now, subscribers. So make sure that if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and share the video, man, and tell them I sent you over, y'all. Man, I'm gonna tell you one more thing before I get out of here. When you get this 21, I know a lot of people don't like to spend the money. I got the Legend suspension on the front that's set up for the 21, and I have the Legends on the rear. I went up to a 13 on the rear. Y'all, get that on your bike, man, so your bike can ride smooth and so you can travel across the country with no issues. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, that's gonna be it, man. I love y'all. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all be safe. Y'all have a blessing. You see the smile on my face? I'm gonna go ride, y'all. Love y'all. I'm out. Peace. 1, 2, 3.
We rolling, man.